things that made us blessed to be here in the Faroe Islands is the abundance of water, and it is so fresh and it tastes so good, and the fact that it is almost for free is so nice. There's nothing here not to love in the Faroes. But if you are bored at home, then you don't have to go out so far, climb the mountain to enjoy the view. Just have to go out your doorstep and chat it right away, get nice view. This river is so close by where I live, so I often go for a walk here every time I want to go for a walk. And there's a lot to see here. There's a lot of trees like this, trees, and there's also some ducks somewhere, but I couldn't see them now. And what I love being here in the Faroe Island as well is that people might portray it as isolated place, but then you don't feel isolated because most houses they are like connected together, not connect together, but they are just close together. So I don't feel isolated here. I am just feel blessed to be here, and just like that bird so peacefully sitting there, our lives are so peaceful here, and the fact that it is a very safe place to be is such a blessing. If you go here in the Faroe Islands, it's pretty common that you could see roof houses like this. Here in the Faroe Islands, the trees are man-made. Trees were planted. We have a park here that I have shown in my other videos. So those were also man-made forest, just like here. Windy or rainy and snowy, they still go out for a walk. Most of them here in the Faroes.